everybody. This is Terry with Domicile One Realty. I wanted to talk to you today about people who want to move into a new place, maybe first-time buyers, and they are a little bit nervous about home maintenance or even lawn mowing, those kinds of items. And then they tend to gravitate toward maintenance-free townhomes or condos. Completely understandable, and this is not to talk anybody out of it, but I wanted to kind of give you some insight to drill down a little bit on why you're wanting to go that way instead of a single family home. And there's no good or wrong or bad, or it doesn't matter. But if you would otherwise be leaning toward a single family home, but are nervous about those kinds of aspects like lawn mowing and maintenance in that, let me just float a few ideas for you. Number one, when you go into a condo or into a townhome, there are aspects of every part that every month you pay your principal, your interest, your taxes, and your insurance. And on those maintenance, where they provide some maintenance for you, they also add a maintenance fee every month. Depending on where you are at, it could be $50, could be $500. It just depends on the subdivision that you're looking at. Now, when you're in a single family home, you don't have that maintenance fee, obviously. So you start to think about, okay, well, if I took the monthly amount I was going to put into my maintenance fee and I multiplied that times 12, how much annually does that get me? And could I put those funds into maybe lawn mowing service, end of March all the way up to October? Because you obviously aren't mowing, in the winter months. And a lot of times people in maintenance-free environments are saying, well, they also do snow shoveling. Not shoveling, they do street cleaning. And that is true, but likely you have that going on your street on a single family home too. I think it's very rare you're going to find a homeowners association in a condo that's going to do shoveling snow all the way up to your door. So just think about those kinds of things. Again, this is only if you would normally want to go in a single family home scenario, but are a little worried about those aspects.